In Surfasana, the surf salutations are the fundamental postures we practice on the mat, building movement and muscle memory to later take on to the waves. We started with Surf Salutation A, where we imitate the first kind of pop-up, where we step 1 foot at a time, landing in your surf stance. Then we progress to B, where we slide the feet up. And now we arrive at SEA, C, where we jump and land in our surf stance. So let's head to the top of our mats to give it a try and flow through Surf Salutation C. Hands by your side, awareness in your stance, knees slightly bent, weight in the outer edges of the feet, glutes together so that your knees go wide, hollow in the belly, breath across the collarbones so that the shoulders go wide. Inhale and paddle the right arm back and up, the left arm follows. Begin to exhale and reach forward, soften and stall halfway. Empty your air all the way out, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, float halfway up. Exhale, release, plant the palms, hop back, landing with bent elbow. Lower all the way down onto your belly, shifting the hands back by the ribs to prepare for pop-up prep. Inhale, chest and chin down, feet up. Exhale, pump the feet, lift the chest. Inhale, chest down, feet up. As you exhale, pop up and land in your regular surf stance with your left foot forward. Inhale and bring your gaze over your left shoulder as you come to make a big backside turn. Exhale, come down through center, drop it low. Inhale, sweep the arms up, look over your right shoulder. Exhale, low through center. Imagine coming up towards the lip of the wave, look over your shoulder. Exhale, low through center. Inhale, come up. Exhale, low through center. Last time, look over your left shoulder. This time, we ride the exhale back, weight in the right foot, left knee up, right arm up. Find balance here. Swivel your hips towards the front of the space. With control, the left toes come down. The right hand comes down. Step back into a 3-point plank. Releasing your left hand down. Inhale. As you exhale, hinge forward and float down onto your belly. Prepare for pop-up prep. Hands back, chest and chin down, feet up. Inhale. Exhale, pump. Inhale, down. Exhale, pump. Inhale down. Exhale to pop up and land in your goofy stance, right foot forward. As you inhale, look over your front shoulder, coming to make a big turn. Exhale down through center, take it low, and then inhale, big turn. Exhale down through center. Inhale, look over your front shoulder. Exhale down through center. Inhale, big turn, come up, look up. Exhale down through center. Inhale, look over that front shoulder. This time as you exhale, ride the breath back, weight in your back foot, right knee up, left arm up. Find balance here. With control, take the right toes down to the mat, the left hand down, 3-point plank. Hold. Breathe in here. Exhale, bring the right hand down, high plank. Inhale. As you exhale, hinge forward and float down onto your belly. Prepare for pop-up prep. Inhale, chest and chin down, feet up. Exhale, pump. Inhale, down. Exhale, pump. Inhale, down. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips, downward facing dog. 3 full breaths here. On your next inhale, come up onto your tiptoes. Bend your knees, look forward. Exhale, hop forward, take the hands up with you, land in kangaroo. Relax the shoulders. Inhale, press into your feet, swing the arms out and up, palms touch overhead. Exhale, the thumbs through heart center. Hands by your side. Surf Salutation C.